2 gold medals at the Paris 2024, the first person to win 2 gold medals. How are you feeling?
恭喜你们，你是奥运冠军，你有2个冠军，是什么？你是什么
？Champion or bacteria. 冠军 or 杆菌. Mandarin pronunciation matters. Hey everyone, did you watch that mix up? The translator said 杆菌 instead of 冠军, turning champion into bacteria. Let's clear up the confusion. 冠军 means champion. Notice that 冠 has u sound and is pronounced the way the fourth tone, which is a falling tone. 冠 guàn resembles a crown and 军 means army. Together, they mean the winner, the champion. Say it with me. 冠军. On the other hand, 杆菌 refers to rod-shaped bacteria. Here, 杆 does not have a u sound and is pronounced with the third tone, which is a falling rising tone. 杆 means rod and 菌 means bacteria. Say it with me. 杆菌. So champion is 冠军 with a u sound and a fourth tone. And rod-shaped bacteria is 杆菌 with no u sound and a third tone. Even though they sound similar, their meanings and tones are different. Avoid this little mistake will keep your message clear. Now let's do a listening practice. Listen carefully and tell me which one I am saying. 冠军. Which one is it? 冠军 or 杆菌?